Bitcoin just surged back to $79,000. After weeks of fear, the market suddenly looks very different. But here's the question. Is this the beginning of the next Bitcoin rally? Or are investors simply taking profits before another correction? Bitcoin recently pushed above $80,000 and briefly reached around $81,000. Then sellers stepped in. That matters, because the market is now testing one of the most important resistance zones of this entire move. The rally has been powerful. Bitcoin recovered from the low 60,000s and gained more than 20% in a matter of days. Part of that move was driven by renewed institutional demand, strong spot ETF inflows, short covering, and a weaker US dollar. But momentum can work both ways. When Bitcoin moves this quickly, early buyers naturally start locking in profits. And that's exactly what we're seeing near the $79,000 to $82,000 zone. The bigger question is whether buyers can absorb that selling pressure. If Bitcoin can reclaim and hold above 80,000, the next major challenge could be the previous high, around $81,000 to $83,000. A clean breakout could signal that the market is preparing for another leg higher. But if Bitcoin repeatedly fails at resistance, a pullback toward the upper 70,000s would not necessarily mean the bull market is over. It could simply be healthy consolidation. And here's where investor psychology becomes critical. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index recently jumped from 27 to 74 in less than 2 weeks. Fear disappeared, and greed came back extremely fast. That's when disciplined investors become careful. Not because Bitcoin is necessarily bearish, but because excitement can make people chase the move. So don't ask only, how high can Bitcoin go? Ask, is the market strong enough to hold these levels? Watch price, ETF demand, liquidity, and investor positioning. Because the next Bitcoin move may be decided not by the headline, but by what happens after the excitement fades. Bull rally or profit taking? The answer is forming right now. And remember, calm money wins. Subscribe to Bitcoin and Crypto Growth for more analysis and breaking news from the world of Bitcoin and crypto.